listen, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you think my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the man.
Greetings, YouTube. I like to back at you from right at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in the Growth Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. YouTube, it is freaking freezing outside here in the Growth Zone 8B. It actually rained earlier here. When that rain stopped, the wind really picked up, so we have a wind chill factor type thing going on here, and it's freezing out there, YouTube. It's freezing out there. It's freezing out there, YouTube. But here inside of our high tunnel greenhouse, YouTube, I'm gonna flip this camera around for you guys if I can and show you what we have going on, YouTube. It is a balmy YouTube. You guys can see that 68 degrees here in our high tunnel greenhouse, YouTube. We're super excited about that. Our small space heaters and this polytunnel itself really keeps things quite warm and toasty inside here, YouTube. But in today's short video, YouTube, in today's short video, we're going to be harvesting two huge yellow sweet banana peppers from our two propagated yellow sweet banana pepper plants that we propagated from cuttings that we took from our main yellow sweet banana pepper plant that we previously had growing out at Sweet Baby Red during the spring and summer months here, YouTube. This is actually our third harvest from these two yellow sweet banana pepper plants, YouTube. We harvested a total of, if I'm not mistaken, 7 peppers so far, YouTube. But we came out here today to do an inspection on our greenhouse. We don't come out here every day because it's been cold here, and we don't want to come in and out of our greenhouse any more than we absolutely have to, YouTube. We want to try to keep our temperatures in here kind of balanced and our humidity level in here kind of balanced and even out. So we don't actually come out here every day, but we came out here today, YouTube, and we discovered that we had these two huge peppers that we need to go ahead and remove from our plants today, YouTube. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now, and first of all, show you the plants, and then give you guys a quick look at the those huge peppers, YouTube. We're super excited, first of all, to have been able to propagate those plants from cuttings from a plant that we grew in our front yard garden early in this spring and summer. And we're also super excited to have been able to grow those plants to the point where they actually produce fruit for us here, YouTube. So hang tight, and I'll flip this camera around for you guys and show you guys exactly what it is that we have going on with our two propagated yellow sweet banana pepper plants, YouTube. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, we're back, and this is indeed our first successfully propagated yellow sweet banana pepper plant that we took earlier during the late summer, early fall months here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. It's probably about a good 90 days old or so right now, YouTube. And this, YouTube, this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is that huge pepper we're going to be removing today in this video. Take a look at this, YouTube. You guys see that? Huge yellow sweet banana pepper down there, YouTube. We harvested a total of, I think, 3 peppers from this plant prior to this one, YouTube. And I think we harvested 4 from that other plant over there prior to that one that we're going to harvest from that plant over there, YouTube. But I'm also going to remove our second yellow sweet banana pepper plant, YouTube, and show you guys its form, how well it's grown for us since we propagated it during, again, the fall months here, YouTube. This thing's gotten pretty huge. We had a sort of a nutrient deficiency here, so we fertilized it about a week ago, and those leaves are beginning to green back out on us, YouTube. But here's that huge pepper on this particular plant, YouTube. We're gonna go ahead and take off this bush today, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Is that a huge pepper on this plant, or what, YouTube? As you guys may know already, those of you who've been following our channel for a while, we love banana peppers here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, particularly the yellow sweet banana peppers, YouTube. And again, we're super excited to be out here today, here during the winter months here, while it's freezing outside, nice and toasty here in our greenhouse, conducting this harvest, YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy back over there where it was. I'm gonna pop back over here and harvest this smaller pepper from this plant over here first, YouTube. If I can do this without my pruning shears. I forgot to bring my pruning shears out here, YouTube, but should pop off quite easy for us. This is our first yellow sweet banana pepper from our propagated sweet banana pepper plants here on our rear grow table in our high tonal greenhouse YouTube. Go ahead and grab this other guy from over here off this other plant for you guys. Again, that's a huge, huge, huge pepper YouTube. We're super excited about that. And this is our harvest YouTube, those 2 huge peppers. They will indeed go to good use here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel YouTube. We really enjoy growing the things that we love to eat the most here in our gardens and our greenhouse here YouTube. It's not about, you know, being totally self-sufficient, but it's about spending overall less money in the grocery stores and actually knowing what's in what you're eating YouTube. And no better feeling in the world than growing something yourself in your garden from seed to harvest, or from cutting to harvest, and then coming back and enjoying that harvest. You'll never find any fruit or vegetables in any grocery store that tastes as good as those that you'll grow in your own garden YouTube. But at any rate YouTube, thanks for watching this video. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on harvesting yellow sweet banana peppers from propagated plants, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, harvesting yellow sweet banana peppers from propagated pepper plants in our high tonal greenhouse during the winter months. Thanks for watching YouTube.
Ain't out here dissing, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you think my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the last time. So I make the microphone smoke when I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap scene. It was 2019 and I got the whole world listening. They gather around me to keep it warm from all the heat I bring. And I tell you some, so why y'all haters out there hating me? Why y'all hating? 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 This instrumental remind me of Frankie Beverly and May. So I'm taking you back when rap was real in the old days. More than a man, I'm like a lion trying to expand. And the world's against me, so I came up with a different plan. No more 9 to 5 working for the other man. And don't trust the media, my destiny is in my hand. Done came a long way from where this lion first began. Won't let nobody make me hate the color of my skin. No matter where we're from, America is where we live. Ain't not here dissing others, but I'ma tell it like it is. Everybody say they praying for some better days, but this world will never change until we stop the hate. Why y'all hate?